guys.
Yeah.
This is her dirt bike in the back. This is a 110. Yeah, 110. It's a pocket bike.
It runs gas.
Yeah. It has gas too, so let's get it. Here, come here. Come here.
Wait, put the thing down before I could do it.
Oh.
Yeah, there.
There, guys. She's about to do it. If you cannot do it, I'll do it.
Yeah, I almost had it.
It's pretty hard to get 2 more tries. It's pretty hard to do this one. I think this one was meant for me, and then my other one was meant for you.
Wait.
Even though the other one's faster. Alright, here, just record. Just record.
I know what to do. It's just sometimes it doesn't.
doing it, but for some reason, it's not working.
When he does it, it works.
Yeah. Look.
You almost saw it. Gee, wait. Park the thing for a sec. I want to see how much gas. Guys, we're going to show you how much gas.
Oh, damn. I don't know if I can do that.
Just try.
But there is gas. Why would a dirt bike have this if it doesn't run gas? It almost.
Let me write it. Here.
See you guys?
Yeah, put the thing down.
Alright, good. That's where she's about to go. Yeah, she got it, man. It's a rock and roll. Yeah, go check out our channels, both of ours. Hers is Isabella Guevara. Mine is Jaden/18/1200. That's it. And then put get fire. That's it. Push it up. Guys, so it's very easy to ride this. It's a pocket bike, so rim it a little bit. All right, she got it.
Got it.
Guys, so now I'm riding it. So let's get it.
We have to empty childhood, so it's right there. All right.
Alright, she's good. Guys, did you see me go fast? This bike was meant for me. My other one is a green one that it still runs gas, guys, but this one has a kickstart, so I think this one was for me. And the other one has an off switch and an on switch. But mine goes faster, but it doesn't matter about the speed, guys. So she's good riding it. This one's good for her. We only get one try. This is a little bit difficult for her, that part. Rim it?
Put it. Wait, don't go yet.
Always, no, I'm not gonna go yet. Always hold the brake.
Go.
It's a good bike.
He has his at his house. One day we will make a video of his. If you guys are wondering what color it is, his dirt bike is green, so. Jay, put it back in the back, right? Let's not use it anymore, right?
Yeah.
Guys, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.